Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Today I am going to explain 8th class chapter 2, that is linear equations in one variable. First we'll know what is a linear equation. That is a definition of linear equation, an algebraic expression in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is called a linear equation. It is nothing but an algebraic expression in which the highest power of the variable is 1. First, what is the variable? We have to know what is that one. Now see here, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. In this x is called a variable. When you are writing an algebraic expression or equations, we use the variables, we use the alphabets. Those alphabets are called variables. So what is the alphabet here? X. So x is our variable. Next, this x, this is 2 into x. This 2 is multiplying this variable. So what is the number that is multiplying the variable is called the coefficient of that one. So here 2 is the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is equal to 2. And the numbers 3 and 7 are constant terms. They won't change at all. So this can call it as constant terms. Here x is a variable, 2 is called the coefficient of x, and 3 and 7 are constant terms. And in this equality symbol, the term which is present at the left side of the equality symbol is called LHS, that is left hand side. In the same way, it is called right hand side or HS. So here LH is equal to 2x minus 3 and RH is equal to 7. Now come here. 2x examples. 2x plus 1, 3y minus 7, 12 minus 5z, 5 by 4 into x minus 4 plus 10. These are the linear equations. Why these are linear equations? In which the highest power of the variable is 1. Now see here, I told this is the variable. What is the power? Here 1. So this is called equation, linear equation. Here 2x plus 1. X is the variable. Its power is 1. Here 3y minus 7. So its power also 1 here. Next, if you come to here, 12 minus 5z. It is the variable, z is the variable. Its power is 1. So this is also linear equation. If you come here, 5 by 4 into x minus 4 plus 10. What is the variable here? X is the variable and its power is 1. So nothing is means you can write as 1. But we should not write 0. Why? If you write as 0, x power 0 is equal to 1. This we have to keep in the mind. So if power they didn't give means we should not consider it as 0. It should be 1. Next, coming to the second example. X square plus 1, y plus y square plus 1, 1 plus z square plus z cube. See here, what is the variable here? X. What is the power of x? 2. Here the variables are y and y square. Here is 1, here is 2. So what is the highest one? 2. So this is not a linear equation. And here also it is not a linear equation. And come here, 1, 2, 3. Variables are z square, z cube. What is the highest power? 3. So these are not the linear equations because the power is more. Here 2, here 2, here 3. The highest power of the variable is more. So we should not assume them as linear equations. Next, come to the example 3, that is 2x minus 3 is 7. Here the variable is x. Its power is 1. So it is linear equation. The coefficient of x is equal to, because it is multiplying the 2 into x is equal to. So constant terms 3 and 7 are constant terms. You cannot change those values. So these are called 3 and 7 constant terms. Next we will come to the exercise 2.1. Solve the following equations. The first one, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Here we have to solve. Solve means nothing but finding the value of x. So x minus 2 is equal to 7. That means we have to find the value of x here. To us here -2 no need. So you have to remove. How? By sending this to that side. You are sending this to -2 that side. When you are sending, we have to take the symbol also. So x is equal to 7 when it is -2. When it comes equal to the symbol this side, right side, it becomes plus. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. That is equal to x is equal to 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. So x minus 2 is equal to 7. Then x value is equal to 9. Next, second one, y plus 3 is equal to 10. Here y is equal to, no need this 3 here. We are sending this side. So this plus 3 becomes minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7. Now come to the next third problem. 6 is equal to z plus 2. What is the given value? 6 is equal to z plus 2. I am writing this one this side. Z plus 2 is equal to 6. Just changing their places, that's all. Next we have to find the value of z only. No need this 2. So I am sending this plus 2 to that side. When we are sending this plus to that side, it becomes minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. That is plus z is equal to 4. That is the value of z here. Next come to the fourth problem. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Here we need only the value of x. No need this term. So I am sending this 3 by 7 to this side. Here it is plus. When it comes this side, it becomes minus. So x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. If the denominators are equal, we can take one denominator and directly we can do addition, or what is if addition is present, we have to take addition. If the subtraction is there, we can do directly subtraction. So 17 minus 3. When the remainders, if the denominators are equal, then only we have to go to that process. So 17 minus 3 is equal to 14 by 7. So x value is equal to 14 by 7. Next one, 6 is equal to 12. We need the value of x only. So no need the 6 here. Now what is this 6 doing? It is multiplying x here. When it is multiplying here, when it comes is equal to this side, it divides. If it divides here, when it goes that side, it multiplies. Here, if it is plus, when it comes this side, it subtracts minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. Here, if it is into, it becomes divided by. If it divided by, it becomes into. So now it is multiplying here. It comes to the denominator. So 12 by 6. 6 2s are 12. So x is equal to 12. Next, t by 5 is equal to 10. Here it is dividing. Given value is equal to t is equal to t by 5 is equal to 10. Here it is dividing. So dividing means what we have to do? We have to multiply. When it comes to this side, it will multiply. So 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Therefore t is equal to 50. Next, 7 is equal to 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Seventh bit, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now this is dividing here, this 3. So I am sending this to that side. If it is dividing, when it goes that side, it multiplies. So 18 into 3. Now what is remaining here? 2 is remaining. This also 2 also no need to us. So I am sending this to also this side. When it is multiplying, it comes this side, divides. So it becomes 18 into 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 9s are 18. 9 3s are 27. That implies x is equal to 27 is our solution.